The marketing mix is an amazing tool for both strategic analysis and also creating efficient marketing programs. But there are mistakes that can be made in the marketing mix. And in this video, we look at 4 mistakes that are made in the marketing mix. So before we move to the 4 mistakes, let's look at our marketing mix, the 4 Ps. Product is the offering, place is the channel, price is what you're asking the customer to pay for the value that you're giving him or her, and promotion is the media that you use, the communication that you use, and various other aspects, the discounts that you offer, etc. The first mistake is regarding the product itself. Very often we focus on product features. We don't look at the customer pain point. We don't talk about the benefit. Let's look at an example. Supposing you have this great skincare cream, right? We may just be focusing on the special ingredient, where we sourced it from, etc. But we don't talk about the anti-acne benefit, the anti-aging benefit that this cream provides. So what really happens is that you're not really giving what the customer wants. What does the customer want? The customer wants the benefit that will alleviate their pain point. So remember this, when you're planning your product, its communication, focus a lot on the benefit, not as much on the features of your product. Next, pricing without flexibility or adaptability. Friends, many times us marketers are very fixed on pricing. I myself have done that. But really, you don't really need to be. You have to move with what the market is telling you, the changing dynamics. For example, if you're a fashion retailer, don't keep fixed prices all the time. If it's time for the season end, please do give discounts to take out your older SKUs. It's not important to hang on and just try to, keep that high price kind of equity. The customers, if there's a benefit, as long as you're not doing anything unethical, go ahead and be flexible on your pricing. Third, distribution channels. The third P, which is place. That's where the buyer persona is so important. We have to ensure that we are present where the customer is. I know you can't be, available every place. You have your own store also, your website also, e-commerce also. But we have to have that judicious mix, and we have to be where the customer shops, or where the customer searches for a product. For example, if you're this premium mineral water brand, you have your website, you have it, in the grocery stores, etc. But your customer, the youngsters, shop on Amazon and Flipkart. So you must be there, where your customer shops. It's a difficult mix, but you should ensure that you are at least accessible for wherever the customer shops. Last one, overlooking integrated promotion. Friends, again, there is a cost benefit analysis here, but we must ensure that if the customer is shopping or searching for a particular product on, say, e-commerce, like we mentioned, our communication also must be tailored there. Don't go on media where it doesn't matter. Also, sometimes we make the mistake of being inconsistent across channels. So be careful. Don't make this 4th mistake, that is overlooking integrated promotions. Finally, in summary, align products with customer needs, the first P. Use flexible and value-based pricing. Expand distribution across multiple channels, and create promotions which are multi-channel in nature. So whenever you are going through the process of creating your marketing mix, keep these 4 mistakes in mind. Signing off for now. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel.